Hey there, fellow travelers on the AI highway. Welcome to another pit stop on the Future of Work AI News. I'm your host, Chad Barron, and today we're channeling all the travel chaos and comic mishaps of planes, trains, and automobiles. Buckle up, hold on to your pillows, and let's take a wild ride through this week's biggest AI headlines. First up, job security is looking bumpier than an economy seat in a thunderstorm. The Economist recently said everything's fine, citing stable unemployment and even growth in translation jobs. But Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei, he just hit up the no smoking sign. In a blunt Axios interview, he warned that AI could eliminate up to 50% of all entry-level white-collar jobs within the next 1 to 5 years. That's a potential spike to 20% unemployment. CEOs are reportedly racing to see how fast AI can replace workers, especially in software engineering. Amodei's solution? Start warning people now. He's calling for education campaigns, job retraining, and even a token tax where 3% of AI usage revenue goes to redistribution. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's roll the tape on Google's Veo 3, their new AI video model. And it's going viral in a big way. We're talking lifelike, mouth-moving, people-on-the-street level stuff. One parody even triggered a full-blown Reddit meltdown. Combine Veo 3 with Google Flow, their AI filmmaking tool, and you've got something wild. AI-generated movies from a simple prompt. No writers, no actors, just vibes. Sure, current glitches make it look like a B movie sometimes. Faces changing mid-scene, anyone? But we're getting dangerously close to Netflix, but you write the script. The film industry's not sweating bullets yet, but with AI moving this fast, they might want to keep a fire extinguisher handy. Next stop, Claude 4 from Anthropic. This model is sleek, powerful, and smart enough to do elite coding, complex reasoning, and even manage agent workflows. But there's a catch. It runs out of juice fast. If you're on the $20 a month Pro plan, Opus 4 can tap out after just 2 messages. It's like renting a luxury car for a cross-country trip and realizing it only holds a gallon of gas. They want you to upgrade to the $100 a month Max plan, of course. For occasional users, it might be best to keep Claude in your back seat. Great backup brain, but not your daily driver. Let's check in with the healthcare world, where doctors are using AI to listen in on patient visits. Don't worry, it's not creepy, it's efficient. Microsoft's Dragon Copilot and the new hotshot Abridge are leading the charge. These tools transcribe, code, and write clinical notes automatically, reducing burnout and giving physicians their evenings back. Abridge claims it's never lost a head-to-head test against Microsoft. One doctor even said, "My son asked why I wasn't working at dinner. I told him Abridge lets mommy come home early." That's some real-world impact right there. Time for some quick pit stops on our AI road trip. China just held the world's first robot kickboxing match, G1 bots sparring in a metal showdown. Scientists created artificial proteins that move like the real thing, using AI to grab calcium like a tiny robot claw game. And Delaware's Attorney General hired a bank to evaluate OpenAI's restructure. Banks now do policy assessments? Sure, why not? These mini moments pack more punch than a travel-size shampoo in your eye. Alt page generates SEO comparison pages to capture competitor traffic. Free to try. Why not? Opera Neon, a waitlisted browser that claims to be agentic. Want to surf smarter? Might be worth the sign up. Look, if your business tech feels like it's been abandoned at a snowed-in airport, it's time to call ITCubed. We'll get your IT running smoother than Neil's credit card at a sketchy motel. Here's what we offer. Fast human support. Strategic IT planning that looks ahead, no detours. Cybersecurity that stops threats before they get comfy. Skip the car rental drama and let us take the wheel. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. That's a wrap for this week's AI Updates, planes, trains, and automobiles style. Whether you're getting stuck in traffic or building futuristic workflows, remember, ITCubed and AI are here to keep your journey on track. Catch us next time, and until then, keep your tech smart and your pillows properly identified. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.